Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into whim. 10 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Vagary, which means an unexpected and inexplicable change in a situation or in someone's behavior. Vagary. For example, the vagaries of the weather. Number 2. Caprice, which means a sudden and unaccountable change of mood or behavior. Caprice. For example, the staff tired of his tyranny and his caprice. Number 3. Craze, which means an enthusiasm for a particular activity or object which appears suddenly and achieves widespread but short-lived popularity. Craze. For example, the latest fitness craze to sweep the country. Number 4. Impulse, which means a sudden strong and unreflective urge or desire to act. Impulse. For example, I had an almost irresistible impulse to giggle. Number 5. Notion, which means an impulse or desire, especially one of the whimsical kind. Notion. For example, you can't expect us to fire any of our staff just because you get a notion to come back. Number 6. Fad, which means an intense and widely shared enthusiasm for something, especially one that is short-lived. Fad. For example, some regard green politics as no more than the latest fad. Number 7. Crotchet, which means a perverse or unfounded belief or notion. Crotchet. For example, the natural crotchets of inveterate bachelors. Number 8. Kink, which means a quirk of character or behavior. Kink. For example, I haven't come here to talk about my sartorial kinks. Number 9. Idiosyncrasy, which means a distinctive or peculiar feature or characteristic of a place or thing. Idiosyncrasy. For example, his idiosyncrasies included the recycling of cigar butts. Number 10. Fancy, which means a superficial or transient feeling of liking or attraction. Fancy. For example, this was no passing fancy, but a feeling he would live by. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.